I lost my I lost my shit. I lost my shit.
Oh, what do we have here? Dad completely embarrasses himself in front of his family.
On May 11th, 2024, officers responded to a hotel following reports of a guest causing a disturbance.
Not on vacation.
Hello. Hi, friends.
What's going on?
So we have 2910 and 2909. They're best friends. They know each other from wherever back home is. 2910 kids had custody of 2903's kids.
Okay.
2910 kids left his kids unattended, came back to the room.
Okay.
2903 realized, he freaked out. We got called up here for a fist fight. When we got up here, they were arguing. They pushed each other back and forth. We got them to separate. I want them both gone. 2903, banging all up and down, smacking on elevators, doing all that. 2910, wasn't listening when we said to get back in this room. I want them both off my property.
Cool.
I would start with 2903 because he's very intoxicated. He's very belligerent and very physically violent.
Is he asleep right now? Is he awake? What's going on?
They're awake.
All awake?
His wife and him are arguing right now.
They listening through the door right now. Uh-oh.
How you doing, sir? Do me a favor, just look my partner over here.
He's stumbling and shit.
What's going on, man?
I'm drunk.
Nothing. Okay. My kids were lost. Okay.
Why is there aggression and shit?
What do you mean aggression?
Like, why is all this?
Because you're trying to figure out what's
It's for you, bud.
going on.
My kids went missing,
Okay.
and I tried to find the last people that were with my children, which is my best friend down the hall.
Okay.
And his kids wouldn't say where the last place they saw my children.
Okay.
It's probably because they was in the
I
room.
kind of lost my shit. Trying to understand where the my kids went.
Right.
Because they were with her kids the last time I saw them.
Okay.
So my kids are now here. We're all good.
Okay.
So can we just go to bed?
Okay. So, on behalf of the staff of the hotel, they don't want you here anymore.
I'm sorry?
They don't want you here anymore.
They don't want me here anymore.
Nope. So,
Yep. That's what happens.
that happened earlier, before we got here. They're just done with it, okay? So, I'm just letting you know what's going on.
All right, so we got to go at 11 o'clock at night.
Yes, sir.
Then can he go and can I stay here with him?
Boy, she ain't shit. She tired of his shit too. That's crazy. That's crazy that the wife said, well, can he go and can we just stay here? That's when you know you the fucked up big. When your own wife puts you on Blast Street in front of the cops.
They told me everybody.
Are you
Everybody.
Are you kidding me, Josh?
What the?
I'm right here, sir.
I lost my kids, bro.
Sir.
I lost my kids, bro. Wait, you can't even make eye contact
Yes,
anymore?
sir. Yes, sir. Hey. We're not doing that, okay?
He's such a wise guy.
What are we gonna? Where are we gonna? I don't want to go over there.
Why are you so aggressive with me?
Because you're making me leave. We have a cheer competition tomorrow morning.
Oh God, he's one of those dads. My mom told me about these cheer competition parents. Oh, it is horrible.
Relax.
And now I gotta find another place to stay.
Relax.
Josh, stop.
No, we're gonna.
Stop.
Don't approach me.
I'm not approaching.
Videos.
Okay.
Go, baby.
Stop.
We're gonna go somewhere else, honey.
Be quiet.
This is the stupidest shit I've ever heard in my life.
Stop. Calm yourself.
Calm.
No.
I lost my kids, and this turned into a you gotta go bullshit
Stop.
because you're a pussy.
Lower your voice. I'm sorry.
Okay. Just gotta go, okay? Okay.
Yeah, we're okay, bro. We're gonna pack our shit, and we're gonna go.
Stop being so loud, bro. Like, dang, you being annoying at this point.
You wanna watch?
No.
You wanna watch?
Josh.
You fucking clown.
Josh.
You know it's bad when your kid telling you to chill out.
Can we have like 20 minutes or so?
That's fine. That's fine.
Just for us, no firearms, nothing like that you were.
What?
No,
Firearms, nothing like that. Just for our
No.
safety.
No. I'm sorry. They're from fucking DC, like, and like, a place I've
I've met them here from like, oh my gosh.
You gotta be kidding me.
I came here like 4 hours.
I lost my kids, bro. I was freaking out because I lost my kids.
Just pack your shit and go, bro. Like you already explained it. Just let it go.
And I'm victim to this shit. Have you ever lost your kids before?
I haven't.
No. So you don't know how it feels. You don't
I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't lose my kids because my kids, well, my daughter, she can't go nowhere. If I can't see her, she can't go.
know what it would think mentally.
I want to lose my kids.
But you're gonna kick me out of this hotel. Huh?
Man, pack your stuff. Pack your stuff. We're not gonna be here all day. Okay.
I wish I would, like, are we gonna be charged for like this whole entire stay?
So once we get downstairs, we'll figure everything out. Okay.
This is unbelievable.
Just pack your stuff, please.
I will.
Thank you.
No, we have no choice.
Yeah, can you just shut the up? I like can't.
I would expect for the wife to be acting like this, not him.
I know, but like I'm sorry.
No, I
I have
got
really bad
I like shit.
anxiety and like I can't.
You don't need a watch.
Yes, I can.
No, you
I don't
don't.
know what else is in here.
I'm sorry?
I don't know what else is in here.
It's my children and myself.
I don't know.
Come.
Josh, stop. Josh, can you just...
Him.
Josh, turn your phone.
Fuck him and his
Josh, just
cunt
stop. Just
bullshit.
please.
I hope I'm wasting a lot of Orlando PD's tax dollars.
I'm here.
This your bullshit. Pussy boy.
Your daughter's calling your name.
Pussy boy.
Oh, okay.
Here we go, pussy boy.
Yo, he's making this so much harder. What's so hard about just packing your shit and go? Why do you gotta keep talking? I get that you're intoxicated, you're drunk, you're tired, you scared shitless because you thought something happened to your kids, but you taking it out on the cops, and this ain't got nothing to do with the cops. The cops was just called here because you was making a disturbance, bro. It's simple. It's really, really simple. You shouldn't lose your kids because your kids shouldn't be nowhere without you. I don't give a fuck how old they is, teenagers or not. My baby cannot be nowhere without me. I don't give a fuck. She 18, 19 years old. If I cannot see you, or if you are not with your older cousin that's a male, or your older cousin that's a female, you just gonna be with me, glued to the hip. You hear me?
You want to walk me out?
Go ahead,
You want to
man.
hold my hand?
Keep walking.
You want to hold my
Keep
hand?
walking.
You want to hold my hand, tiger boy?
Okay.
Come on, Dad.
What are you looking at?
This guy here is a fucking problem, bro.
We're good.
What's that? Because you want to keep building my anxiety. It's not going to work.
Get
What's
behind me.
up? What's up?
Don't get behind me.
Why not?
What's up?
What's up? I was born before you. Smarter than you. Don't look at me. Don't judge me. I lost my kids, dude.
Yeah, he's drunk. When somebody keeps repeating the same shit over and over again, they are heavily intoxicated, and they're going to jail most likely.
I lost my I lost my shit. I lost my shit.
I got this on.
And the Dad of the Year award goes to this idiot. Why would you be antagonizing these cops in front of your kids? Now you just made yourself look like a complete jackass in front of your whole family, and you traumatized your kids, and including your wife, because she kept telling you to chill, relax, let it go, be quiet, shut up. But you just had to keep repeating yourself over and over and over again. How do you guys get this drunk? Like, there's no way that I want to be this drunk to where I gotta keep repeating the same thing over and over again. At this point, you drinking because you got some issues. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is beyond fun at this point when you're drinking like this. When you get to this level.
Could have been easier. Could have been with your family. Instead, you want to act a fool? That's fine.
I'm not acting a fool.
This is him all the time.
You were the one that's acting a fool. I'm okay. I'm not aggressive at all. That's that. I ain't aggressive at all.
What an idiot.
It's cute.
Drop yours?
Yeah. Probably underneath. No, that's right here. Got it.
What a idiot. You going to jail?
We can take him now.
Yo, stay your ass down. We'll tell you when to get up.
I'm sorry. I thought it was...
No, stay your ass down. Now you're gonna do what the tell you to do.
Here we go. Sitting down. Sitting down. Real pretty.
Yeah, he's hammered. This gotta be in Florida.
As far as I remember, you pushed me first. Don't hold that up. Come. No.
You going on that one? Or is that one good to go? Yeah. Okay. Can you hold that one first?
Oh, it was on Orlando.
Sorry.
Now you done left your wife and kids out in another city trying to find a hotel.
He was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, and battery on a law enforcement officer.
Dumbass.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. On May 11th,
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. As helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.